In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a horizontal line in Google Docs, a simple way to organize and enhance the presentation of your document. We'll go through this step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll feel confident to do it all on your own. Let's get started by navigating over to docs.googledoc.com. Once you're on the website, you'll need to log in using your Google account. If you already have a Gmail account, you can use those credentials to access Google Docs as they are integrated with one another. This is a convenient feature because you don't have to remember separate logins for each of Google's services. In case you haven't set up a Google account yet, I recommend doing so, as it will allow you to make use of an array of tools and apps Google has to offer. However, once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main Google Docs interface. Here, you have the option to open an existing document that you might have already created or start fresh with a brand new blank document. Both approaches work perfectly for our task, so feel free to choose whichever suits your needs at this moment. Now that you've got your document opened up, whether it's a brand new project or a work in progress, let's get into adding that horizontal line. What you want to do next is look for the Insert tab in the menu at the top of your screen. This tab is filled with a variety of options designed to help you tailor the appearance of your document to your liking. From here, you'll scroll down a bit until you spot the horizontal line option. It's nestled right among other features to help you format your document. Once you click on Horizontal Line, you'll see one appear instantly at the point in the document where your cursor is currently positioned. It's a clean, professional way to break up sections of your content, providing a clear visual separator that can accentuate different parts of your document. And there you have it. You're all done. Adding a horizontal line is a super easy way to boost the readability of your text and improve organization. It's one of those neat little tricks within Google Docs that doesn't take much time at all but can really enhance your document's appearance. Remember, whether you're preparing documents for school, work, or personal projects, knowing how to use these little tools can make your documents look polished and professional. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to try it out on your own and see how it can tidily divide content within your documents. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy document editing.